Lawrence Memorial Hospital now brings you better health.
The question about whether e-cigarettes are safe or not is just not answered, and it's not known. It was hoped by some that this would be a mechanism to help people stop smoking. It turns out that there's not a single study that shows that e-cigarettes decrease smoking rate. There are definitely no studies that show they're safe, and there are some real concerns that the chemicals in the e-cigarettes may be actually worse as far as causing cancer and other lung disease than regular cigarettes. The problem is these have become so popular so fast that it really has, up to just very recently, not been regulated at all. And not regulated really means unregulated, which means anybody can make anything and put it out there to sell. Interestingly, over half of the fluids, and there are over 200 vapors that are available, over half of those that claim to have no nicotine actually have nicotine. So when people are trying to smoke a nicotine-free vapor, in half the situations they're actually getting nicotine, which then continues the nicotine addiction. The amount of toxin and the amount of chemicals in e-cigarette is simply unknown. All the different brands have a different heat. You get a different amount of exposure to the lung. And we certainly have no idea what's in the exhaled vapors. But again, it depends on how hard a person smokes it. If a person is addicted to nicotine, which takes 10 cigarettes a day or more to accomplish, then if you smoke a lower nicotine cigarette or a lower nicotine vapor, you just smoke it harder because your brain needs the equivalent of 10 cigarettes a day to keep from going through withdrawal. So if you try to cut down on the nicotine or tar content of cigarettes, you just smoke those harder and end up getting the same amount of nicotine.